Today we got the Escalade in. You see it right now. It looks pretty beat. So part 2 of this is let's take it over to the wheel shop. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna clay bar the entire surface, remove all the parts, throw a wrap on there, get this thing back together and get it back on the road.
Little tricks of the trade. It has
a little difficult.
Little indent. As long as that's pointing up, it just slips right off.
There it is.
Jack of all trades.
tight. That was tight. Oh shit! Fucking blew out my hair. Oh!
You burned your hair!
You get that on film?
Yeah, I did.
It really caught on fire?
No, it was smoking.
Yeah, I saw it just like, you know when you like heat up hair?
Hey, you guys scared the fuck out of
in
me.
it.
I did.
Powder?
No, I had my fucking gel.
That was so scary.
Last day on the Escalade, transforming this thing. You guys saw it from the beginning. You remember what it looked like? It was in rough shape. So today, the way it sits now, I'm really pumped on it. I would drive this thing around. The last thing we got to do is wrap the front bumper. Should be quick. Probably got another 2 hours to get this thing done, put back together, and have it on the road. In total, we spent probably about 15 hours on this thing. Anthony took care of all disassembly. I took care of wrapping all the flat panels, and I put David on these hard panels here. Everybody said, woo, at the same time. Well, that was terrifying. Sound like a bunch of birds.
That's an owl.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, we needed a lot of people just because this bumper, like, since we don't have it on the car, it tends to move a lot. So when I'm pulling, I really have to pull really hard so that I don't get any, like, excess material, especially, like, in here. Because if I have too much, then it's just not gonna, like, lay as easy. So that's why I needed Anthony. I just needed everyone on deck to just help me like stretch out the wrinkles so that it's more glassed out. So I don't have to worry about having a lot of wrinkles and trying to like pull them out and pop them out and stuff like that.
You guys killed it. Damn, you good? You're tired, bro?
Bro, honestly, like just pulling that it's tough. Like especially because I don't have like a lot of strength on like let's say like my left hand. So like if I have more strength on my right, it's easier to pull versus like pulling on my left.
I know why you have more strength in your right hand.
enjoyed the revitalization of the Escalade. We took the Escalade in, it was pretty beat. It was beat up, had some time, had some age, but it came out really good. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that happen. It was more of a time-lapse video. You kind of just seen the process. We didn't have too much talking or anything. We tried to show as much rap content as we could. We still want to inject the lifestyle in here because I really want you to get to know the staff. I want you to know me. I want you guys to know Anthony. I want you guys to know Hefe. I want you to know the crew here. I think that's important because when you guys walk through these doors, you come get your car wrapped here. We want to be on a personal level with you guys, and it feels really good when you guys walk in and just have that ability to come up and say, "What up, Daniel? What up, Hefe?" We like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys ever have the opportunity to come visit our shop, come visit us. We're in Riverside, California. If you guys want to call, get an estimate, I'll put the number here on the screen. We have a customer service team ready to go, listen to you, hear you out, see what your project's all about, and your car could be on the channel. Let me talk about that real quick. A lot of you guys ask about the projects we do here at the shop, about why we did this or why we did that, or who's this or who's that, what kind of car, or you want this car on the channel. These are real customers. These are real customers' vehicles. You're just watching us do the project that is brought to our attention. If you don't know, you can win a car wrap just by subscribing to the channel. Tell some friends. When we hit 300K, we're giving away another car wrap. This is gonna be our third car wrap, and I wanna go, and I want it to be a bang. I wanna go to Hawaii, I wanna go to Japan, I wanna go somewhere, anywhere far away, because what happens is myself, the staff, the crew, we go out, we wrap the car for you anywhere in the world, wherever you're at, in your garage, in your parents' garage, wherever your car's at. You know, the last time we went to Oregon, we went to Utah. Those are 2 big trips for us, but we want to go further. So keep subscribing, tell your friends, share the videos on Facebook, engage with us on Instagram. Also on Instagram, there might be a little sneak peek of what that is back there. So if you're trying to win those banners and you want to guess what that bumper belongs to, comment below, go to our Instagram. Maybe there's something there for you to really have a little hint. At Premium Auto Style, follow us on social media, guys. I'm just ranting at this point. Hope you guys enjoyed the Escalade. The next car's gonna be dope. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. BAM!
I like that.